We're back with more mystery pins, and we're at the Magic Kingdom for Christmas, and we're opening Christmas mystery pins. These are the Gingerbread Houses that we found a couple weeks ago. You ready to open these up?
Yeah.
And I have 3 boxes, and there's 2 pins in each box. Let's get into these.
There's a piece of paper in each one
There
of
is.
these.
That's so you can't tell what it is. All right, mystery pin number 1. Let's see what we got.
We got a really hard to open bag.
Yeah, usually you rip right
Oh my
into these
God.
things.
I can't get it. Oh, it's Goofy.
All right, Goofy Gingerbread House, number 1. Mystery pin Gingerbread, number 2. What do we got?
Orange bird.
It's the orange bird. I wanted
So
that one.
cute.
That was one of the ones that I wanted to get very badly. The other one is obviously Figment. And he's in front of the Epcot ball. Figment.
Oh, it's Dumbo.
Oh, cool. I like Dumbo too. Some of these are really cute. All right, halfway there. 3 open, 3 to go. It's not
Mickey.
Figment. All right. Got a Mickey.
Aw, Goofy.
It's a Goofy,
We got
all
it.
right. 1
Our
duplicate.
first duplicate. And the
Last mystery
one,
pin
last chance
for the gingerbread.
Figment is Donald.
Oh, good. Okay, well,
Oh, he's in front of a boat.
oh, look at that. Well, he is a sailor.
Well, that's pretty cool. Out of what, 3 boxes, we only got 1 dupe.
Yeah.
Do you like collecting pins here at Walt Disney World? Do you like mystery pins? Let us know in the comments below. What's your favorite kind of pin to collect? Which mystery pin pack should we try to open next? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, until next time.
No capes.
No capes!